Hey guys, in April of this year, creating a melody in FL Studio has evolved from manual clicking into intuitive orchestration. With the recent beta updates, the software now bridges the gap between the music theory and raw creativity using tools like the chord progression and the AI melody generator. So, are your melodies feeling thin or repetitive? A great melody isn't just a sequence of notes, it's the narrative of your track. Today we are breaking out of the 4-bar loop and building a professional, high-performance lead inside FL Studio using the new AI piano roll assistant. This isn't just clicking in notes, it's using agentic composition to find the perfect motive. In these minutes, I'm showing you the exact workflow to go from a blank grid to a radio-ready top line. Let's create. And before we write the melody, we need a foundation. So you need to click on the magnet icon in the piano roll. The piano roll is opened by pressing F7 and then press on this magnet and select your scale, for example C minor. The grid will now lock to these notes. Then chord progression tool. You can use this new cool tool to stamp a basic 1-4-5 progression. In the piano roll, hit the chord icon and select harmonic flow. Also, you can press the Alt plus V in order to enable ghost channels. You can now see your chords while you write your melody on a new layer, ensuring every note you pick is in total harmony. And then let us build the melody. So we use the call and response technique. The call creates a 2-bar phrase that asks a question. Start on the root note and move upward. Then the response. In the next 2 bars, answer that question by moving back toward the root. Then you can highlight your notes and use the AI variation slider in this year's piano roll. It will suggest small rhythmic shifts, for example syncopation, to make the melody feel more alive and less like a computer wrote it. Then if you want to humanize it, click on Alt-R. So in this year, the randomizer now includes a velocity curve that mimics how a real pianist or violinist would play. Turn the velocity up to 20% for an instant natural feel. Then the next step is texturing with Kepler EXO. A melody is only as good as the sound behind it. So in this year, this is the flagship synth. Select the Vibe Lead preset. Use the Melt knob. In the April of this year update, this has a subtle pitch wobble and tape saturation to your melody, giving it professional saturated sound instantly. And then the Lux verb. You can add the updated Lux verb. Set the pitch feed forward to 50%. This makes your reverb tail follow your melody, preventing a muddy mix. And also, guys, a little review of this year's interface and functionality of the app. So FL Studio this year is no longer just a sequencer, it's a reasoning-capable creative suite. Version 25X has introduced a AI piano roll assistant, which can analyze your existing drum patterns and suggest melodic motifs that fit the rhythmic pockets of your track. So what is this used for? So we use this to move from random notes to intentional composition. So once again, I've spoke about the chord progression. It's new for this year. It handles the vertical harmony, so you can just focus on the horizontal melody. Then the Kepler, it's a synth that's flagship with a dedicated melt function for instant lo-fi melodic textures. And Vector Hybrid Piano Roll allows for infinite zooming and MPE, which is the MIDI polyphonic expression, support for more human-sounding melodies. And before we finish up, let's talk about the pros and cons of this version. So the pros. The scale highlighting is more advanced, showing you forbidden notes for the specific genres. Then we have ghost notes. You can see notes from other tracks, making it easy to harmonize. Also AI assistance. The melody generator can provide 4-bar motifs to spark ideas when you're stuck. Then the cons. So over-reliance. It's easy to let the AI do too much, which can lead to generic sounding leads. Resource heavy. Using the new high-fidelity synths requires a modern CPU to avoid buffer underruns. And this way you can just go from a blank grid to a signature top line in just under 10 minutes. So you just use scale highlighting and ghost nodes for perfect foundation, utilize call and response with AI variations for rhythm, polish the sound with Kepler and LuxVerb. And if this tutorial and masterclass helped you find your melody, don't forget to like and subscribe.